Hello, I found one interesting tarot reading for you today. It's really entertaining and in the form of tarot machine, like machines in Las Vegas, one-handed jack, but I didn't find it less accurate because it's entertaining. So please go with me and to see what is in offer. Today's oracle. You have this one-handed jack. Then choose your cards for love, for work, and overall. Take a look of your reading. You have the moon, or the explanation about the moon as a card, and what is in that card for you. Then you have work. You're the hermit. Hi, I'm the hermit. My charm is the dimple which came out of the smile. And then what's in the store for you today for the work? Total of the overall. We get the devil, oh my god, but it's of course not a bad card. But of course there are some temptations and it will be very interesting for you to see that. But that is not all. We have love fortune here. We had one-handed jack again. We choose card for you, for your partner, and overall. Then we had our reading. You, what you think, what you feel, and what you can expect from the judgment card. Then what your partner is thinking. He thinks here is explanation of what could happen. Here is some pregnancy, so if the sun comes up as a card in your reading, be happy. Overall, it's the world. Then you have to see what's in store for you. I wish you happy reading, and my best wishes for you is to try this interesting reading. Thank you for watching.